afternoon, Robert Spiller here at Jeanette's Pier for the OBX wave report on Saturday, May the 13th. As you can see, the waves here at Jeanette's Pier are mostly blown out with small 1-foot waves rolling in off the North Atlantic Ocean. Those southwest winds have caused a finger of the murkier water to approach the coastline, although you still have beautiful blue and green waters just offshore. And you can hear my notepad rattling in the southwest wind, which is blowing pretty strongly in the range of 10 to 20 miles per hour right now out of the southwest. Air temperatures very warm in the upper 70s right now, and as you can see, lots of people enjoying the beach here, not just at Jeanette's Pier, but all along the chain of the Outer Banks down to Nag's Head Pier. And we got lots of beachgoers right now, and we do have some waves breaking on the sandbar, on the second sandbar to the southeast, but not much in the way of waves. And we do have a change in the weather predicted. A front approaching from the north and west, and tomorrow we expect the front to move in and winds to shift out of the northeast to bring building wave conditions here at Jeanette's Pier. By the end of the day, waves are expected to build to 3 feet as we get those northeast winds, and then over the day on Monday and Tuesday, wave conditions are expected to improve, particularly for Tuesday morning, which is expected to see much nicer wave conditions for the northern Outer Banks. Alright, so let's get into our specific observations, both for Jeanette's Pier, for Rodanthe, and for Buxton, as we provide for you some spot wave conditions for the Outer Banks. Right now at Jeanette's Pier, waves in the range of about 1 foot. Primary swell coming in out east-southeast at 9 seconds as a 1-foot swell. Secondary swell coming in out east at 6 seconds as a 0.5-foot swell. Winds out of the southwest at around 18 miles per hour. Air temperatures right now at 78 degrees here at the pier. Ocean water temperatures 64 degrees. Weather conditions for today, mostly sunny, highs in the upper 70s, southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. And by tomorrow, we expect those winds to shift to the northeast with somewhat cooler conditions, highs in the upper 60s, maybe into the lower 70s, waves building to 3 feet by the afternoon tomorrow. And then heading on down south to Rodanthe, right now waves in the range of 1 to 2 foot, with the primary swell coming in out of the east-southeast at 9 seconds at 1.1 foot. Secondary swell coming in out east at 6 seconds at about a half foot. Winds out of the southwest at 16 miles per hour. Air temperatures also 78 degrees down there at Rodanthe, and ocean water temperatures a tick warmer at 65 degrees. Mostly sunny today, highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Beautiful beach day conditions with the exception possibly of those winds. Changing the weather tomorrow with winds shifting to the northeast, also bringing larger waves in the range of 2 to 3 feet by the end of the day. And for our last observation, we have Buxton with waves in the range of 1 to 2 feet, with the primary swell coming in out east-southeast at 9 seconds as a 1.3-foot swell. Secondary swell coming in out of the east at 6 seconds, 0.7-foot swell. Winds a little bit calmer out of the southwest at around 15 miles per hour down there at Buxton. Air temperatures 75 degrees. Ocean water temperatures crossing the 70-degree mark at Buxton, so 70-degree water temperatures down south at Buxton, likely at Frisco as well. So water temperatures in the no wetsuit range down there. They're a little bit cool. Some people might still want to wear their wetsuits with those 70-degree water temperatures. Please pay attention to your body and how it reacts to the cold. 70-degree water temperatures can still cause hypothermia if you aren't acclimated to colder water. Weather conditions for Buxton, mostly sunny, highs in the mid-70s, southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. And once again, a change in the weather tomorrow with a front coming through and winds shifting to the northeast. So thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report on this Saturday, May the 13th, a beautiful Saturday to head to the beaches, but unfortunately not much in the way of waves for us surfers. Best spots being Rodanthe and Buxton on the east-facing sides, and Billy Mitchell right now with waves in the range of about 2 feet. Some of those south-facing beaches might be getting better waves with those southwest winds. All right, so thank you once again, and as I always do at the end of my wave reports, I'd like to please ask you to do everything you can to help accelerate the transition to clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. And clean energy does help to protect our coastlines by reducing carbon emissions which come from fossil fuel burning, and those negative impacts from climate change that affect our coastlines being